the line on the screen shows us where our 0 voltage line is, and we can adjust that using the dial. So most of the time we want to have that as close as possible to the center of the screen. Adjust the amplitude or the size of the wave on the screen using the buttons on here which says AMPL. The up arrow makes the wave bigger and makes the scale smaller. You can make it go off the screen so it doesn't even look like a sine wave. If we want to change how many cycles of a wave we see on the screen, we can use the horizontal controls in the time section. Using the left arrow, we can show more cycles of the wave into one screen, and using the right arrow we can show less cycles in one screen, and the scale at the bottom of our display changes accordingly. You can also use a dial on this side to move your wave to the right or to the left, which can be helpful when you're trying to do measurements to make the wave, part of the wave line up with a certain part of the screen. One easy way to change the display if the image that you get first off doesn't look so good is the auto set button, and the machine does some calculations and takes its best guess at how to display that for you.